Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of wireless routing protocol. But first we discuss about the definitions of wireless routing protocol. Wireless routing protocol, it is the proactive unicast routing protocol for mobile ad networks. Next, we will discuss about the types of wireless routing protocol. Each node maintains 4 tables. First one is the distance table, second one is the routing table, fourth one is the link to cost table, fourth one is the message retransmission list table. First, one by one, the definitions of distance table. Distance table means distance and predecessor node for all destination as seen by each neighbor. Second one is the routing table. The routing table containing the view of network for all known destinations. It is including the shortest distance to destination, predecessor node, successor node, block indicating the status of the path. These 4 types it is included in the routing table. And next one is the link cost table. Link cost table, it's containing cost related information. It including the number of costs to reach destinations. Because cost of broken link is 0. Next one is the number of update periods passed from the last successful update of the link. Means number of update periods passed from the last successful update of the link. Fourth one is the message retransmission list. It contains the counter for each entry. The count is decremented after every retransmission of the update message. Next one is the table maintenance. What is the definitions of table maintenance means? It requires more memory and processing power to maintain accurate information about nodes in network. It is not suitable for large network with high mobility. And is a routing table for wireless routing protocol. It is a node ID, next hop, predecessor, cost. First, it is this picture will show in the wireless routing protocol. This is the node A, node B, node C, node D, node E. Here's A is the source and E is the destination. A to B, the cost will be 2. So B to D 1, D to E 6, C to E 2, C to D is the 3. So next copy A, next copy C, B next copy is D, C next copy is E, D next copy is C, E next copy is E. Here the predecessor A predecessor is C, predecessor is C predecessor is E, D predecessor is C, E predecessor is 0. The cost of all 5 nodes is given in this table 76250. Next one is the route maintenance. During link break, the node which detects the link breakage will send an update message. The cost of broken link will be the infinite. Nodes receiving the update message will update its routing table. Here we use the routing table. Routing table use நமக்கு என்ன advantages அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்க போகிறோம். A problem of the Bellman-Ford protocol is the count to infinity problem. This problem is that was solved by the WRP. WRP means wireless routing protocol. And is the disadvantages. 4 tables requires a large amount of memory. This 4 tables requires memory large நிறைய memory வந்து தேவைப்படுது. Next one is a periodic hello message consumes power and bandwidth. Periodic hello message consumes power and bandwidth. These are the advantages of disadvantages of the wireless routing protocol. Next one protocol is the destination sequence distance vector routing protocol. First, the definitions of the destination sequence distance vector routing protocol we will see. Distance vector, distance sequence distance protocol means definition. It is a hop by hop vector routing. Here, wireless routing protocol is the procast, proactive unicast protocol. It is the hop by hop vector routing protocol. Require each node to periodically broadcast routing updates. Each node maintains tables for the next hop on path, source to destinations, sequence number. Nodes exchange updates with neighbor. If the two nodes have the same sequence number, then route with the best metric is used. Then route with the best metric is used. Next, enhanced from distributed Bellman-Fold algorithm. It is enhancement distributed Bellman-Fold algorithm. Here each node maintains shortest path to the destination. Incorporate table updates with increasing sequence number tags. Breven loops counter the count to infinity problem. Faster convergence. Next one is the exchange table between neighbors at regulated time interval. Two types of table updates. In the wireless routing, 4 types of table we used. Here we use the 2 types of table updates. Incremental update, full dumps update. First one is the incremental update. What is the meaning of the incremental update? It takes the single network data packet unit when no significant change in the local topology. Next, full dumps. Full dumps update definition means it takes the multiple network. The incremental update is take the single network. The full dumps update it takes the multiple network data packet unit. When no significant change in the local topology. Here the when local topology change significantly, incremental updates require more than a network data packet unit. More than a network data packet unit. This is examples of the direct sequence distance vector routing protocol. Here is the source. 1 is the source, 6 is the destination. Destination 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 I will take. The 6 next copy is 3, and the 5 next copy is 3, 4 next copy is 2, 3 next copy is 3, 2 next copy is 2. Here the example. This is the distance 2, 2 to 1, 1. This is the distance of each node. It is already we can see definition. Next one is the here we use the direct sequence distance vector routing protocol. What are the advantages of this? Solve the routing loop problem. Count to infinity problem is reduced. Direct sequence distance maintains the only the best path instead of maintaining multiple paths to every destination. Next one is the disadvantages. Disadvantages is not suitable for highly dynamic networks. It is not suitable for highly dynamic networks. Whenever the topology of the network changes, a new sequence number is necessary. Topology of the network changes ஆகும்போது நமக்கு வந்து நம்பர் வந்து சீக்வன்ஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் வந்து தேவைப்படுது. Here is the advantage and disadvantage of the direct sequence distance vector routing protocol. Direct sequence routing protocol is a hop by hop vector routing protocol, and is the wireless routing protocol is the proactive unicast routing protocol.